Hello, welcome to AI Factory.
Tired of struggling to find free AI video tools?
Say goodbye to pricey animation software.
Today, I'm introducing a powerful and completely free AI tool that makes content creation effortless. With just one prompt, you can generate stunning, high-quality AI images in any style you like. Transform any uploaded photo into smooth, HD animation videos instantly. Enjoy unlimited use, no registration, and zero watermarks. Use everything commercially with no restrictions. This tool offers an impressive range of powerful features that make visual creation effortless and professional. Artistic Style Generator. Choose from a wide array of artistic styles to transform your prompts into stunning, high-quality images with just a click. Image-to-image transformation. Easily restyle your existing photos. Switch aesthetics instantly using presets and custom inputs. Perfect for enhancing mood or creativity. Film frames, and best of all, it's completely free and unlimited.
Want to make your TikTok videos go viral? With just a few clicks, I'll show you how. Subscribe now and stay tuned for all the tips and tricks you need to shine.
Versatile editing toolkit. From retouching to stylizing and layering, its editing tools are diverse enough to help anyone create professional-grade visuals without specialized training. Whether you're making animations, building 3D character content, designing social media posts, or crafting influencer-style videos, this tool empowers you to create like a pro. This incredible tool is called Vheer AI. I'll leave the link in the video description. Just open the page and start creating. No sign-up required. Once we enter the website, we can see a full menu list. Text to image, image to image, image to video, Kontext Editor, image tools, and other tools. Each drop-down menu offers multiple options with different functions. Now, let me walk you through them one by one. 1. Text-to-image generation. Vheer allows you to create high-resolution illustrations from text prompts. You can customize the style, character, background, and lighting, perfect for designing story characters or scene concepts. Example prompts: a husky in a spacesuit standing on the surface of Mars, pixel art style. Below that, you can choose the aspect ratio for your image. I'll randomly pick a horizontal size. The generation is super fast. In less than 2 seconds, the image is ready. Nice! This is exactly the effect I was looking for. There are many drawing styles to choose from. Let's go back to the menu and try this one, AI Illustration Generator. I'll pick a random illustration style. Using the same prompt, you can also add a background and other details. But I'll leave it as is for now and choose square format. Let's generate it. Wow, that's beautiful. I really love it. Down here, there's also a section that explains how to use this tool to generate images, and they've even provided some sample prompts. Let's give it a try. I'm going to test out this one, the AI action figure generator. It looks really cool. Just look at these examples. They're all 3D, and they totally resemble characters you'd find in toy collections. Click on Create Toy Figures. Now we can choose a style. I'll go with Adventure. Below that, there are several fields to fill in, like character type, gear description, pose description, accessories description, and more. I'll just paste the same prompt I used earlier. Wow, this looks awesome. I actually forgot to remove pixel art style from the prompt when I pasted it in, but surprisingly, it still gave me a very cool result. Now let me delete that part and try again to see what it gives me. This one's super cute. Let's try the AI Blacklight Poster Generator. Just pick a style and use the same prompt. Let's see what it comes up with. Wow, that's awesome. You've definitely got to try this one out. Let's try another one, the AI Random Image Generator. This tool includes over 30 different categories, so pretty much anything you're looking for can be found here. I selected anime style under the character category. It instantly generates 4 images at once, and if you're not satisfied, you can regenerate with a single click. Next up in the menu is Image to Image. This feature lets you upload a photo or sketch, and it will generate a new image based on your chosen style, while maintaining character consistency. This is an incredibly useful resource for creators making AI animated shorts, 3D character videos, AI influencers, kids animation, even AI-generated movies. Here, I've uploaded a hand-drawn illustration. Important tip before generating. If you want your characters to stay visually consistent across multiple scenes or poses, make sure to use the Kontext Editor provided by Vheer. Just select Kontext Editor from the menu. This section gives you a full introduction to how it works. It's a powerful tool with multiple applications. Let's try it out. Simply enter the style you want. Look at this one. The futuristic cyberpunk style in blue and purple tones is absolutely stunning. Change to a 3D pixel style, and this is watercolor style. Now let's try applying a few different art styles to the same character. I'll upload a photo of my AI influencer and test it with several styles. Futuristic cyberpunk style, anime style, 3D pixel style, watercolor style. Each one gives a completely different vibe, and the results are amazing. Vheer also has some powerful image editing tools. For example, there's an AI object removal feature. I'll upload the same AI influencer image. She has a tattoo on her chest that I want to remove. Let's see how it works. And wow, it's clean and seamless. It can even change hairstyles and adjust hair color with just a few clicks. Pretty impressive, right? One of the most exciting features is the image-to-video generator. Just upload an image and add a short motion or environment prompt. Or better yet, you don't even have to write a prompt yourself. Vheer can automatically detect the image content and animate it for you. Take this example. I didn't type anything or adjust any settings. Let's check the result. Wow, it works really well. It's perfect for anyone who wants to create videos quickly and effortlessly. Just upload a single image, and Vheer brings it to life. The generation speed is impressive, around 2 seconds, and you'll get a 5-second animated clip, completely free, no watermark, and unlimited downloads. Let's try this image of a swimming turtle. Upload, click generate, and just 2 seconds later, the animation is ready. Here's another one. The facial expression in the video is spot on and looks very clear. This next example, I tweaked the prompt a little, and the result still looks great. And check out this anime-style animation. It turned out fantastic. Who is Vheer perfect for? Creators building AI influencers or virtual characters. Want to learn how to build your own AI influencer? Check out my latest video tutorial, how to create AI beauty influencers to get millions of views. Content creators making kids animation or storytelling videos. Designers and e-commerce sellers creating animated intros, social media clips, or promo graphics. Freelancers and illustrators who want quick, high-quality visual content. Vheer truly makes animation and video generation accessible to everyone. What else can Vheer do besides animation? One-click background removal, perfect for product images or portraits. Image style transfer, transform real photos into stunning artistic styles, like Disney, Pixar, DC Comics, and more. AI background changer, choose from over 20 background styles to instantly enhance your images and make your products stand out to customers. Color palette from image, instantly extract beautiful color palettes from any image. Perfect for design, branding, UI, UX, and digital art projects. Text behind image editor, easily place text behind objects in your image to create eye-catching, professional visuals that wow your audience. There are even more features to explore, so take your time and have fun with it. That wraps up my introduction to the powerful and versatile Vheer AI. While Vheer's videos may not match Pixar-level detail, they're more than good enough for 99% of creators. No 3D modeling skills, no complex tools, just unlimited free usage, right in your browser. Artist palette with Vheer, you can bring illustrations to life, create your own AI cartoon characters, add animated segments to your short videos, easily generate story scenes or visual content for any project. You don't need to be an animator to make animations anymore. With Vheer, your creativity becomes motion. Everyone can be an AI director. If you enjoyed my video and found it helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you at the next one.